Hello again and welcome back for a new UX snack. So I've been doing a lot of reading lately on the apparent mass tension between UX design and marketing. In my experience working with development teams, there was definitely a little bit of tension, but I think it was mostly because I didn't speak the language of developers and I didn't understand the logistics that then impacted things like timelines or budget. Hence, I went to programming school to really understand these things. But I didn't realize that this trickled into UX versus marketing. And I always thought, honestly, that we were on the same team fighting for what's right for the users of products. Apparently, I have been blind. So you can say that marketing will bring in new users for UXers to then turn into power users. And I really think this is a classic chicken before the egg type scenario, because without that thoughtful UX team behind that intuitive app, you'll never have a chance for those new, not quite users to even get through onboarding. So I am here today to make the charge for UXers and marketers to be besties as they travel along the user journey. And what do besties need to stay besties? They need common interest. In the case of users, I think that common interest here is analytics. In my experience as a UX designer, as well as on a marketing team, analytics on user behaviors inside and outside of an app will help not only reach those new users, but also create stickiness within the app. The job I'm interviewing for at Kraken, I put together a marketing plan that included both the acquisition of new users, but also the UX design portion that includes optimizing the user experience. In this case, me as the marketer would work directly with the UX team on ongoing user research, A/B testing, etc., to maximize the lifetime value of the user, but more importantly, to give that user the best experience possible, which of course drives retention. So both UXers and marketers will benefit from developing a deep understanding of our users. So really, we should let bygones be bygones and really work to form a symbiotic relationship for all UXers and marketers, because in the end, our users will thank us. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with a new UX snack.